The Garmin Venu 4 has officially arrived, and it's making waves in the smartwatch world. This isn't just another wearable launch. It's Garmin taking a bold step forward with features that blend health innovation, lifestyle convenience, and fitness power in one sleek package. With upgrades like ECG monitoring, a built-in flashlight, and improved fitness tracking, the Venu 4 is designed to stand out against even the most popular competitors like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch. So, what makes this smartwatch special, and why should you care? Let's break it all down. Health. First, ECG monitoring that puts control on your wrist. One of the most exciting additions to the Garmin Venu 4 is the ECG sensor. This feature takes health tracking to the next level by providing medical-grade heart monitoring right from your wrist. Instead of waiting for a doctor's visit or using specialized equipment, the Venu 4 allows you to check your heart's electrical activity in seconds. This means detecting irregular heart rhythms early, keeping a log of your heart health over time, having peace of mind if you're managing cardiac concerns. What's impressive is that Garmin has made this advanced feature accessible in a smartwatch. That's far more affordable than medical devices or premium-tier wearables. For health-conscious users, this could be the deciding factor. Everyday safety. A built-in flashlight that actually matters. Now let's talk about something surprisingly practical, the built-in flashlight. At first it may sound small compared to ECG or AMOLED displays, but once you use it, you'll realize how useful it is. Picture this: going for a late-night run or walk and needing extra visibility, searching for your keys in a dark parking lot, handling a quick power outage at home. In all of these situations, having light right on your wrist makes a huge difference. Unlike phones, which you might not always have in hand, your smartwatch is strapped to your wrist, ready to help. This makes the flashlight feature more than a gimmick. It's a safety upgrade that fits seamlessly into daily life. Design and display. Sleek, bright, and always ready. Of course, functionality isn't the only story here. The Garmin Venu 4 also shines with its sleek design and AMOLED display. The screen is brighter and sharper, making it easy to read even in direct sunlight or during outdoor workouts. Garmin has also optimized the design to make the watch comfortable enough for all-day wear, whether you're training, working, or sleeping. With a variety of straps and finishes, it balances style with performance, making it just as suitable for business meetings as it is for gym sessions. Battery life. That goes the distance. Battery life has always been a Garmin strength, and the Venu 4 continues that tradition. Unlike some competitors that require daily charging, the Venu 4 is designed to last multiple days on a single charge, even with heavy use of GPS, notifications, and health tracking. For people who hate charging every night, this is a huge advantage. You can wear it to track your sleep, use it throughout the day, and still have juice left for your workouts without constantly reaching for the charger. Fitness tracking. Built for every lifestyle. When it comes to fitness, Garmin has always been a leader, and the Venu 4 proves why. It offers advanced GPS tracking for runs, cycling, and outdoor activities, sleep monitoring with detailed insights, body battery, energy tracking, helping you balance workouts and recovery, stress monitoring, giving you tools to manage your mental health alongside your physical fitness. This makes it equally appealing for serious athletes and everyday users who want to stay active and healthy. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to hit your daily step goal, the Venu 4 supports you with reliable, data-driven insights. The perfect pair. ECG plus flashlight. What makes the Garmin Venu 4 unique is how it combines serious health tracking with simple, practical features. The ECG ensures your heart health is always in check, while the flashlight improves everyday safety. This pairing shows Garmin's focus on creating a complete wellness device, not just another gadget that counts steps. It's about helping you feel healthier, safer, and more confident in daily life. Price and value? Competing with the best? So, what about the price? Early reports suggest the Garmin Venu 4 will be priced in the mid to premium range, directly competing with rivals like the Apple Watch Series 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. But here's the difference. Garmin offers features like longer battery life, built-in flashlight, and detailed health tracking that you may not get from those alternatives, all at a price that's more accessible for many users. for people who want Apple Watch-level health features without the premium Apple price tag, the Venu 4 becomes a very attractive choice. Why the Garmin Venu 4 launch matters. The launch of the Garmin Venu 4 is more than just another smartwatch release. It reflects a shift in what people expect from wearables in 2025. No longer is it enough for a smartwatch to count steps and show notifications. Users now expect accurate health tracking, like ECG, everyday safety features, like the flashlight, long-lasting battery performance, a stylish design that works in all settings. The Garmin Venu 4 delivers all of these, making it a well-rounded smartwatch for modern lifestyles. Garmin Venu 4, the smartwatch that redefines health and convenience. The Garmin Venu 4 has officially launched, and it's quickly gaining attention for bringing both advanced health features and everyday practicality into one sleek smartwatch. The biggest highlight is its ECG monitoring, giving users medical-grade heart health tracking right from their wrist. Alongside this, Garmin has added a built-in flashlight, a surprisingly practical tool for night runs, outdoor activities, or emergencies. The Venu 4 also includes a vivid AMOLED display, longer battery life, and comprehensive fitness tracking for workouts, sleep, stress, and more. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just want a reliable everyday smartwatch, the Venu 4 is designed to fit both lifestyles. With a competitive price point, the Garmin Venu 4 stands as a strong alternative to premium rivals like the Apple Watch. It's not just about counting steps anymore, it's about wellness, safety, and real-life convenience. If you want a smartwatch that balances style, innovation, and health-focused tools, the Garmin Venu 4 is worth the upgrade. Final thoughts: a smartwatch that does more. The Garmin Venu 4 is more than just a fitness watch. With its ECG sensor, flashlight, AMOLED display, long-lasting battery, and powerful fitness tools, it redefines what a smartwatch can offer. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a health-conscious user, or someone who simply wants a reliable smartwatch, the Venu 4 is worth considering. It's proof that Garmin is not just keeping up with the competition, it's setting new standards. For under what you'd pay for some premium rivals, you get health, safety, style, and performance in one package. The Garmin Venu 4 isn't just an update, it's a game changer for 2025. Advanced health tracking. One of the biggest highlights of the Venu 4 is its ECG monitoring. This feature delivers medical-grade heart tracking, helping users keep a closer eye on their cardiac health. By detecting irregular rhythms, it provides peace of mind and encourages a proactive approach to wellness. Everyday practicality. Garmin has also introduced a built-in flashlight, something rarely seen on smartwatches. Whether you're out for a late-night run, exploring outdoors, or just need quick light in daily situations, this feature makes the Venu 4 both innovative and practical. Fitness and lifestyle features beyond ECG and flashlight, the Venu 4 packs in a bright AMOLED display for crisp visuals indoors and outdoors, improved battery life that lasts longer between charges, comprehensive fitness tracking including GPS, sleep, stress, and body energy monitoring. It's a smartwatch designed to support an active lifestyle while still looking stylish on the wrist. Value and competition. When it comes to price, the Garmin Venu 4 is positioned in the mid to premium range, directly competing with devices like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch. But with features like ECG plus flashlight at a competitive price, it offers incredible value for those who want more without overspending.